Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I attempted a SSC serial mock test. I scored in this mock test 124.5 out of 200. My percentile is 60.92 and my rank is 2442 out of 6246 and I scored less than 10.5 marks of cutoff, and we will see how many scored in each subject. So in if we talk about general intelligence, so I scored these subjects in I scored general intelligence 37 marks. I did wrong 2 question and 90 question are right, and my accuracy in reasoning 9 90.48. And if we talk about topper score is 50 and 34.57 is average score. So I think if I do in this section 45 plus marks, so that is better score for me. So I completed it in this score less score. So one thing is noted for me, I need to much practice because I attempt only 21 questions this, because reasoning is very scoring part of any mock test. So let's see general awareness. In general awareness I attempt 20 question and 5 question was wrong and 15 question are correct. So my score is 27.5 and accuracy you see 75%. And if we talk about topper score is 45.5 and average score is 90.39. So it is a I think better score for me. So let's see next section. So next section is quantitative aptitude. This is was really bad section for me today mock test. I don't know what happened with me. I only attempt 11 question, and if I attempt 11 question, it's in 11 question too wrong. It was very bad for me because I my math is not so weak. But today what happened I did not realize about. When I enter the math section, I feel nervous and an anxiety, and I decided to first I do 15 to 20 question between them, but I attempt only 11 questions. So I am really disappointed math section. If we talk about topper score is 48 and average score is 20.84. So it is a not a good score for me. I think in this section 30 plus 30 and between 35 score is better score in this section maths. So I need to work in maths. If we talk about English, in English I attempt 24 questions and 22 questions are my right and 2 questions I did I wrong. So my marks in English 43 and I think if we do more questions, so 45 plus score is good score in English, because in this test English is not hard, it was very easy. And topper score is 50 out of 50 and average score is 33.62. It is I think in if we talk about overall this test, so this test was we can say easy to moderate, not moderate but easy to moderate, easy, we can say it easy. So this is overall review. And if we talk about overall review, so average score is in this mock test 108.42 and topper score 193.5 and my score is 124.5. So this is a analysis of my mock test. So if you attempt this mock test, please share your marks in comment section. And if you are preparing another exam. So tell me. And if you have any suggestion, any idea about how to improve my maths, you can give me suggestion in comment box. So thank you watching for my video. We it is this video for making for just analysis. So thank you for everyone for watching this video. Stay healthy and live healthy. Thank you everyone.